Understanding, just a small token, enhancing your English expressions. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, just a small token. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding the nuances of such phrases is key to improving your fluency. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Just a small token refers to a gift or gesture that's given to someone as a way of showing appreciation, gratitude, or affection. The important thing to note here is that the focus is on the sentiment behind the gift rather than its monetary value. It's a way of saying that the gesture is modest but meaningful. This phrase highlights the thought and consideration that goes into the act, emphasizing that it's the thought that counts. You can use this phrase in various situations where you want to express gratitude or appreciation. Here are a few scenarios. Thanking someone. If someone has helped you out, you might give them a small gift and say, "This is just a small token of my appreciation." Special occasions. On events like birthdays, anniversaries, or when someone achieves something significant, you might use this phrase to accompany a gift. Gesture of friendship or love. Sometimes, you might want to give someone a gift just because, and saying it's just a small token underscores that it's a gesture of affection or friendship. It's also a humble way of presenting a gift, which can make the receiver feel more comfortable and valued. Imagine you've received help from a coworker on a project. When the project is successful, you might give them a thank you card or a small gift with the message, "This is just a small token of my appreciation for your support." After attending a dinner party at a friend's house, you might bring a bottle of wine or some flowers, saying, "I brought this as just a small token of thanks for your hospitality." To celebrate your friend's new job, you might give them a congratulatory gift with the note, "Just a small token to celebrate your big achievement." These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be used in both formal and informal contexts to convey warmth and gratitude. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, just a small token, and how you can use it to add depth and sincerity to your expressions of gratitude and affection. Remember, it's not the size of the gift that matters, but the thoughtfulness behind it. So, next time you want to show someone they're appreciated, consider giving them a small token of your appreciation. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with us for more insights into the language's rich expressions and vocabulary.